So welcome back guys, this is Madhav PVL, and as we had discussed about some of the topics which were before this, that is read write functions and all those things. Now we are going to see fork wait sleep operations program. So in terminal nano fork.c, so nano fork.c. So after clicking that, it is just opening a C compiler. So let me just make it as a full screen. So now you need to just write a program. So for that, hash include std uni std. So hash include stdio.h and hash include uni std.h. So sys slash wait.h, hash include sys slash wait.h, int main, tid slash t ret slash value. Printf the process id is percentage %t. Process id is %d. I need to just maintain a new line here. And then get PID. After that, ret value is equal to fork. Ret value is equal to fork. If ret value less than 0. Printf fork failure. So if this value is less than 0, then we need to just print like fork failure. So fork failure, and then I am just closing this, else if ret value double equal to 0. So after closing this, else if ret value double equal to 0. So again I am just opening it back. So nchild process. So printf nchild process. I need to just maintain some indentation for this. Slash nchild process. So after printing this nchild process, so it's a child process now. So fork is nothing but it is just creating a duplicate file, guys. So I just got confused. So here this person is not maintaining some space. So the process ID is get PID. Printf the process ID is %t comma get PID. And then sleep for 20. Else printf parent process. I think we need to just maintain this slash in here also. So after printing this, we need to just give this process ID, printf process ID is percentage %d comma get PID. After this, printing sleep for 30 and then return 0. So now I am just going to save this, and then now I am just clicking this enter to get back to this terminal. So after getting back to this terminal, now I am going to just check this. So for checking gcc minus o gcc minus 44.c 44.c. So I think there are no errors in my code. So let us just check. Yeah, finally there are no errors. And then now I am just going to run this program. So dot slash fork. So it is going to run. So process ID and parent process and then child process. So this is all about this new one. So fork, wait, sleep operations. Now in the next video we will just know about this execv operation program. So thank you guys.